So I keep getting this engine light coming on, and the code popping up is saying it's the EGR valve sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the sensor out, clean it out, and see if that works. There goes the sensor. I'm gonna take this off. I push this tab out. Now it's loose. Now I'm gonna take these off. And the sensor's off. Yeah, that's pretty dirty, so, and that's clogged up like a motherfucker. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclog that. Two entry holes. I'm gonna take a plastic zip tie and try to clear it out. Now this is what FreightLiner in Detroit recommends, so